Hi everyone, today I'm going to make Oreo and chocolate cheesecake. First of all, I'm going to put butter paper in the cake tin. This is one of the easiest ways to put butter paper in. You can use this method for all your bakings. When the butter paper is in, now close the tin and I'm going to cut the edges with the help of scissors. This way you don't have to make exact measurements to cut around paper for the tin. I'm going to share a very easy recipe. It just uses a few ingredients. You don't need to put it in the oven and no eggs are required. I'm gonna mention the detailed recipe in the description so you can check it if you miss anything. I've grinded 2 packs of Oreo biscuits. I've kept half of the packet on the side for later use. Now I'm going to melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and I'm gonna add this into the crushed Oreo biscuits. I'm gonna mix it properly until all the butter is mixed in, and then I'm going to put it in the tin and make a smooth layer. It's up to you. If you want to make a thick base, you can add more biscuits. I have used about 1.5 pack for the base and half a packet for mixing in later. If you like it more crumbly, you can use 2 full packs and make a smooth layer like this with the help of a spoon. On the side, I've took 2 tubs of Philadelphia cream cheese, which is 135 grams each tub. That makes 330 grams. I've emptied it in a tub. I've used half a can of condensed milk. I'm not using sugar, I'm using condensed milk instead. I'm going to blend them until it makes hard peaks. It's best to use the cream cheese at the room temperature. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence in there. Whisk again until it's blended in and make hard peaks. When the cream cheese is done, I'm gonna use a separate tub and I'm gonna take 500 ml of double cream and I'm going to whisk it until it makes firm peaks as well. Make sure that the cream is kept in the fridge in a cold temperature. It's easier to whisk when it's cold. I'm going to whisk it until it makes hard peaks. In the meanwhile, I'm going to add 200 grams of any chocolate spread or Nutella spread. I'm going to whisk them together until it makes firm peaks. Now I'm going to put in both the mixture, the cream cheese, condensed milk and vanilla essence. That mixture, I'm going to blend it in the chocolate spread and double cream mixture. I'm going to whisk it again so it's blended in properly. Now I'm going to use the biscuits I have put aside. That is half a pack of Oreo biscuits crushed. I'm going to fold it in the mixture. It is going to give more flavor to the cream cheese and cream. It's going to be more chocolatey. When the mixture is folded in properly, I'm going to put it in the cake tin and make a smooth surface at the top. I'm going to use the spatula to layer it properly. And the most important step is to chill it overnight. If not overnight, then at least put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. On the side, I've took 150 grams of cooking chocolate. I'm going to add 200 ml of double cream in there and I'm going to put it in the oven for 1.5 minutes until it starts bubbling and the chocolate will melt properly. It's gonna make a smooth ganache, a creamy chocolate paste. I'm going to layer it on top. When the cream cheese is chilled, I'm going to lay this chocolate ganache on top and make a smooth layer. I have to refrigerate it again or put it in the freezer, and we have to make sure all the ingredients are chilled properly. When it's been left in the fridge for overnight, then I'm going to take this out very carefully. We can start off by moving the edges by the help of the knife. If it's still soft, you can leave it in the fridge for even longer. We have to carefully move the edges and then take it out of the tin slowly. If it's not chilled properly, it will not hold the shape properly as well. Once you took it out, you can decorate it however you like it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support.